Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingla ban Pule bat tho ban itho ye jing tho badan kam kalong kabadan kam bha gini gisngi baminta la kalong na kabinta ki samla ni ki belasan ki bala bando ya ka Pule puthi hagjing imjongki. The Directorate of School Education and Literacy hagjing trilang bar ka State Literacy Mission Authority Government of Meghalaya kalapinong ya ka Ullas Fest 2026 hagj potrik ya yong arjar arpundiu haususo tham auditorium. Hagini program ladan lang Menteri Rangba Kajila Conrad sangma kum ukongsan, Menteri Kapuli Puthi ubalak mendremboi kum usembut kongsan, Hagjinon lang ru Commissioner and Secretary Education Department Vijay Kumar Mantri berkibai pat ki he sarkar. Habakran hagani sengi Conrad ulaong bakamlong kebalaslam ban Pule, ule thu bahne ka step ula khot ki khna bawan shakmat haga exam SSLC, haga jakasa jong u ban ithu ikjing tresh tom jongki, bar ka jingyo jing job jongki. Dak baong bakani ka jing khot jong u kalong tang ka jing le ka barit henrei kalong ban aimen se mi ki wei pat ki khna bakin le bha hadien ulaong baka jing ithu e ki be yo jing job kham shakmat ha ka jing Pule kalong ka badan kam henrei ka sarkar ka thrang ban pintigna ban amdan watang u wei ru uban shai Shadien ulaong badan kam ban pendet jing mut kerpang na ka benta ki balasan ru ki bomnang ban tho ban Pule bakinla ban tho ban Pule ban khen ulaong baka jing thumu ban kantiu ka Pule puthi kanong ka basakut lada bakla ban penyo lang nak benta kito ki bom yo lat ban Pule habakran halor ka jinon kam ka Ullas ulabatay ya ka kum ka jing thumu ka bakongsan ka bawat bat poi shabala ki benta jong ka imlang ka salang ula kdo bawat la ka jing Pule ka la ban long ka basuk ya kito ki bala yo lat ban let school handai bun kim shimlala ban yo lat namar ka jing bom don lat don linti hakipor bra let no Menteri Ketanat Pule Puthi ubalak mendremboi habakran hagajingalang ulapan pau kajing sngongu i katanat badi kinong traimon snngobha ki babon ki bala persyang ban ai tilut bad yarap ban penudlong ya kajing temu jong kajela hakaliang ban ai ya kajingnang ban tho ban Pule habaro ulaong bakumba arlak ki briu hagajela ki dei ki bala nang ban tho ban Pule dak babatai bakajingnang ban tho ban Pule kamdei ban pas ya ka matrik ne pas ya ki kerdan jing Pule hendei kadi kajing tip ban Pule ban tho ban kajingnang ban khen ulaong baka sarkar India kala treshtam ban kintiwi ka jingnang ban tho ban Pule hagari naka Operation Blackboard shaka Adult Education Program bat menta saka Ullas Mission ka baka thong kalong ban penong ya ke India ka babaro kinang ban tho ban Pule bat ban khen hadu usnam arhajar arpunyo ulaong bah Meghalaya kin sadon lai pupra hajar ngut ki ban sanang ban tho ban Pule Lyngba kani ka thong hagani sengi Conrad beruba lakmen kila sami ki sernot shakinong ya shimbenta naman ki district bele khone ke exam kila pun ko buram ru ikinong Pule ki balarangba ki bapalat praposnam karta bat pen iru iki video hakaktien khasi bat jantia ban kdo shphang ka jiron kam ka Pule puthi
minta pagin khot na Manmanki district Hills, I'd like to call forward that these are our oldest learners. Moving on to East Khasi Hills district, Quirin Sotun and Hedina Nongsan and Severina Yao Yao. Niki Nodal Officer, Benwanshin, Shibanta.
Merkani kaskur Ullas befiong wa ngal ngaspin buat ngam dotib ha tengi sutu ba kat kini girta bangi latmen ni kenduk lang man kumni krui sukmen madah kitu ka persu sorong lu kam nga batang sasor ngam cupai tiknare ne kadah kini cikang yo ban kron ben ya penitu lang ben ni tingut ten tak kini dengan su ban Pule ni kor ngam hap Pule kham ski mar chilam ai Jinghikai ya ke ba ai chinang chi start ya baro ki bala yo lat late school but ki ba la pep school tang haki kerdan ki berit ki ba yarap benang ban tho ban Pule ban khen bandia kebar kepelik jimut ru kepelik kepelat ya baro nadu ki samla ki long kemie long pa bat ru ya ki bala temen kebalai bolong Lyngba ka school ulat ngila migik pa ngila mat yak ching e haladi kumta ka khring ya ki chimut chi prakhat chungi ba mangi dei ban penslur ya ki khon ki ti chungi bat ban pha lek school na yaki nadu dangret ba bat bedang biang karta.
So I request each one of us. Now we have under about 2 lakh population which not yet, so to say, literate. When we talk about literate, it is not the question of matriculate or anything. It's a question of basic knowledge of learning, skills, numeracy, extra. And this is why it is important. We know the government of India from time to time, from the Operation Blackboard in those days to the adult education, and now this program of Ullas, which the target have been set that by 2027, the India as a whole will be fully literate country. So we as a part of the country, around 2 lakh of us, the population in the state, which have not been certified literate. And to reach that benchmark of 95%, we need another 38,000 people. These 38,000, though the number may sound very few, but it is a very tough task for us. So I request all the volunteers, all the block educator, all the district, let us join hand so that we could achieve. And if Mizoram could achieve, why not us? And if the country could achieve by 2027, why not us? So I request each one of you, education is very important, literacy is very important. Let us treat as Maramba, he just spoken just now, that he feel the confident, he feel proud to be able to stand here because at least he knows something. So this is an example, and this example not only for him but for every parent. If you try to gain the knowledge, to gain literacy, that will inspire the young children that they should not drop out from school. Honorable Chief Minister, the Government of Meghalaya from time to time try to invest as much as possible in education. When we talk about education, about literacy of the state, the skills of the state, and so on and so forth. So this need the cooperation of each one of us. So on this platform, I request all the youth in Meghalaya, all the youth of Meghalaya, let us be a volunteer to make this thing happen. Let the 24th of April 2026 be a red letter day where maximum number of the people will take the test. Will take test on that day, and I hope that when the result declared that benchmark of another 38,000 we could achieve, and we could proudly say that our Meghalaya is fully literate. I wish the volunteers, the student, the people of the state the best. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
It is never too late. Honorable Guest of Honor, our Commissioner Secretary, that this morning we had a wonderful program where I invited the toppers of the SSLC to have breakfast with me in my house, and also to give recognition to their dedication and hard work and the achievement they got. I gave a small token of recognition and a small letter of appreciation from my side. It was a small but a meaningful, and I'm sure a program that will not just impact the children who received it, but I'm sure will be a source of motivation for many in the years to come. But while we are recognizing the toppers, for us as a government, we are very clear that we will not leave anybody behind. For us, the toppers are as important as our elders and seniors who are not literate yet, who aspire to be literate, who desire to be able to read and write. For us, if we are not able to touch these people's lives, then our mission is incomplete. And that is why today is a very special day, where we are touching the entire spectrum of society. The Ullas program is truly a very noble program. It may sound very simple to all of us, especially those who have the opportunity to go to school or have had the opportunity to go to school, to learn, to write, to become educated, to pass the metric exam, to graduate. It sounds very simple for us. But there are many among us who did not get that opportunity. It's not that they didn't want to, and it's not that they didn't try. It's just that the system was not there. The opportunity was not there for them to be able to become literate and get the kind of education that each and every citizen of our state and of our country deserves. I thank the Education Department, our Education Minister, for the tremendous work that they are doing. What we do today in Education Department, I'm sure most of us will not be able to see the results or the impact of that because things change. But 15, 20 years from now, the seeds that we have sown today, the tough decisions that we have made in Education Department today will show results in the decades to come. Let me put it this way. It's not so simple. Education requires reformation that requires time to actually show results. It's like planting a tree. That you plant the seed, you know what you are planting. You nurture it. You take care of it. You water it. It won't give you fruits the next year. It takes time. Education is the same. But I know that the work that the department today is doing is going to have a transformative impact, and the future generation will get the fruits of the hard work that the department is doing today. While I say that, today, while we do the Ullas program, and while we today strive towards becoming a literate state, and we will very, very soon, sadly, there will still be critics. There will still be people who will not look at the entire canvas, but they will look at that one dot on the side of the canvas and say, but what about that dot? What is the government doing about that one dot out there? While critics are important in governance and in life, I urge society Let us move forward positively. There will be challenges, there will be difficulties, there will be problems. Negativity is never the solution. It is only by having a positive mind, by being persistent, by having the right thought in your mind and the desire to do something good, only that can bring a change. That does not mean that the challenges of education will be over. There will be many, many challenges ahead. But let us work together as a society. Let us work together as a team. Let us work together as a state. Put our people and put our state in front of us. Let that drive every decision we make. I wish the volunteers, the entire department, and all the people who are behind this program, I wish you the very best. And I'm sure that with your work and with your support, this program will be truly successful and we will achieve our goal to become a fully literate state. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.